Hi, it's McLaughlin Summer Team here with Century 21 Redwood with another pro tip. Today we're talking about home inspections, specifically for sellers, things that you can do to avoid potential issues.
Start with your HVAC system. Make sure it's serviced regularly, cleaned and inspected, and clean the filter. Also, look around your house for plumbing leaks, so check under all of your sinks.
Electrical, make sure all your outlets are in working order, that all your lights are functioning. Check all your light bulbs to make sure none of them are dead. Also, your roof. Check and see if there are any missing shingles as best you can, and if there are any leaks. Always take a peek into your attic.
Make sure all your appliances are working. Check your walls and foundation for cracks. Some cracks are acceptable and some need further investigation.
If you do have to make any repairs, make sure that you keep your receipts. We need those to show that work was done, and it needs to be done by a licensed contractor. Tune in next week for another pro tip.